How to turn off notifications on Glovo. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can turn off notifications on Glovo. Now you must note that on the Glovo application, there is no direct way of turning off your notifications. So the only way you can turn off your notifications is by turning it off directly from your phone settings. So the first thing to do is to go to your phone settings and then open up your phone settings application. Once you open it up, you will be brought to the phone settings page. On this page, select app management and then here select app list. And once you selected app list, in the search bar type Glovo. Alright, Glovo. Let's type it properly. Glovo. And then you wait for it to load and bring up the app. Once it has loaded, you can see the app. Click on the app. Now, after clicking on the app, you will be taken to the page where you would see notifications, permissions, storage and cache, etc. So just go ahead and click on notifications, and then you can see the option allow notifications. Okay, this is the same thing as turning on notifications. So if you want to turn off notifications on the Glovo app, just tap on this toggle here, and then once it turns gray, notifications will be turned off automatically. And then to turn it on, just tap on the toggle again, and that's how you can turn off notifications on Glovo app. And another way is by coming down, and also you see Glovo notifications under others tab. Just tap on it this way, and then you can see that the notifications will be turned off automatically. So go ahead and turn off or turn on that notification today. Thanks for watching.